Derek is on one of your Airboat engines. This is a 489. Your description combination got a set of RAS cast heads on it, Edelbrock manifold, custom grind hydraulic oil. It's got a stock oil pan on it, basically modified a little bit for a little bit more capacity. Put the front end on it. You want to make a run, so she does. Stay tuned. 3400 peak torque, 596 foot-pounds of torque, really flat down there. Peak horsepower 575, right up 550, so it runs really good. That's what the front end's on it. Show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find the single start credit card. There's a USB card full of technical information. On the engine, will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, motor spec. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look stuff up for you. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Now it takes some more tech stuff. Have a great day.